Number of stocks are setting up for a possible next up leg as the market goes sideways, and here are 76 stocks in my watch list for anticipating a breakout. Obviously Goldman Sachs, uh, then you have Udo, which is a Dow 30 ETF, leveraged ETF, so it's setting up very well, going sideways after a big move. Then you have Baker Hughes, JB Hunt, AMN Healthcare Services. All these stocks have established momentum, and then after the first leg or second leg, they are going sideways, and any breakout from these level can lead to a rally, which is like, and which can be 8 to 20%. The year Stamp, then NTRS, Northern Trust, then General Dynamic, which is setting up very nicely. You have Prudential Financial, JP Morgan, Windham Worldwide, United Health Group. Then you have Motorola Solutions, International Paper Company, again like setting up very well here, like, and I say this made a 10% move. So that's the kind of setup which you're looking for, where it went sideways and then there was a breakout. So similarly it is going sideways currently. MTB, then you have the regional bank Spider ETF, which is again setting up very nicely, and any breakout can like possibly lead to a big up move. So that's like kind of something which is worth looking at. Then you have CMA, Comerica, then First Republican Bank. You name a bank, and most of the regional banks and banks are in a similar kind of a pattern. Lincoln National Corporation. Then you have NetApp, Principal Financial Group, Westrock. Then you have bank, again another BOK Finance, Core Holding, FMSA. This is another regional bank ETF. So if you're looking at ETF, you can look at it. Then there's a Torchmark. This is another ETF for banks, because the banks are the one which are holding up the best. Then you have Buffy, then Citibank, Citigroup, BBT. This is an IPO, recent IPO. It's just like a 6 days consolidation. Donnelly Financial. Then you have Zion Bank Corp. Then you have Wells Fargo, Insight Enterprise, KBE, which is another bank ETF, which is again setting up very nicely. And then you have Quest Diagnostic, Grand Canyon, then Key Corp. This is a financial sector ETF, which is again setting up really well. So Regional Financial Corporation, Dave and Buster, recent earnings was good, and here setting up very nicely for a possible up move. That looks like a very nice setup post earnings. Then you have HPAN. This is a REIT, NRE, Stifel Financial, then Hess, which is setting up nicely, Service Source International, Supermicro, Paychex, US Food Holding Corporation, Gatex. Then you have a gold stock. Some of the gold stocks have started to rally after a big correction. So this is anticipation setup for a possible breakout on this one. Then you have JLL, then FFIV, Zixi, Lowe's Corporation, K12 Learning Corporation, Webcom. See, there are so many nice setups. Xerox, which had a big breakout here after it spun off a division, and now it's setting up very nicely for a possible up move. Then Gentex, Autopart, SLM, EVTC, CSOD, AKS, CNAT. This is one of the setups which I'm keenly watching, because this has a big catalyst here, a big move, and then setting up this can really make an explosive move, probably going to 7-8. DuPont Fabros. Then you have Beat Biotelemetry, CDV, Nucor again. Then you have Netflix. Then you have THO. Then X, Airy. So these are all stocks which are setting up. So if you see under the hood, there are a lot of stocks which are going sideways, as the market itself has gone sideways, and any breakout in the market above the level where it is trading will lead to these stocks breaking out. But also individually stocks can still break out on their own. This was a stock which was not this one, the MTL, this is a stock which was highlighted a couple of days ago in a video, and now see it had a breakout and then it did make a move of 13%. Similarly, I had like and I highlighted a cow couple of times in the list, and you will see that like and it did make a 24% move, or even I think HQY, which was anticipation setup. See here, it was an anticipation setup here and here, and then it had a breakout and it has made a 17% move in 2 days. So individual stocks can still break out without the market really breaking out. So this is a list from which many good breakouts can come in. So that's the focus list for watching if you're looking for a swing trading ideas.